And here we have our ingredients. We have white beans, garlic and onions, tomatoes, tomato paste, and a blend of spices. With our oil-free recipe, we start off by adding water to the pot. And then we add our garlic and onions. Once the onions look translucent, you're ready to add the rest. And once the tomatoes are soft, we add our spices. Now let them cook for about a minute for the spices to release their flavor. And now we add our veggie broth, tomato paste, and the white beans. Finally, you'll let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until the stew starts to thicken.